Today, we're diving into a topic that's extremely important to your overall well-being and often overlooked: the gut microbiome, which is also known as the gut microflora or the gut microbiota. These terms are usually used interchangeably. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm a holistic pharmacist and skincare enthusiast. This is where we focus on healing naturally from the inside out for optimal skin health, anti-aging, and for overall health and well-being. So you've probably heard about the gut microbiome, but you may be wondering, well, what is it exactly? So the gut microbiome is an incredible ecosystem of trillions of bacteria, viruses, fungi, including yeast, and other microorganisms that live in your digestive system. Now, this isn't a bad thing, though. All of these microorganisms, they actually keep your gut healthy. So think of the microbiome as a diverse community of organisms, just like a forest with its many species that work together to keep your body healthy. Now, everyone's microbiome is unique, so no two people have the same microbiome, which is pretty cool. These gut microorganisms may be small, but their impact on your health is massive. They play a critical role in maintaining your overall health. They help with digestion and nutrient absorption, so they help break down complex carbohydrates, fibers, and other nutrients that your body can't digest on its own. They also produce essential vitamins like vitamin B12, vitamin K, and short-chain fatty acids that fuel gut health and overall wellness. Now, one of their other important roles is immune system regulation. Did you know that 70% of your immune system resides in your gut? So that's 70% of your white blood cells and other immune cells. So your immune system cannot function properly without the support of good bacteria in your gut to help support those immune cells. Now let's talk about the gut-brain connection, which is crucial for mental health. The gut microbiome produces neurotransmitters like serotonin that regulate your mood, sleep, and stress. And that's why imbalances in our gut microbiome have been linked to anxiety, depression, and cognitive issues. So what does this all mean? It means that simply by focusing on gut health, you can potentially treat depression, anxiety, sleep issues, stress, and possibly other mental health disorders without the need for medications. And I can attest to this myself through my own personal experience dealing with chronic depression several years ago. Once I focused on healing my gut, my mood improved so much that I no longer needed my antidepressants. Another important role of the microbiome is one of my favorites, and that's skin health. The microbiome influences skin health by regulating inflammation and hormone balance. Meaning, an imbalanced microbiome can lead to inflammation in the gut and throughout the entire body. And inflammation is one of the root causes of acne. When your gut's not healthy or balanced, it can trigger hormonal imbalances. It can trigger poor digestion, leaky gut syndrome, and skin flare-ups like acne, eczema, or rosacea. The gut microbiome is also important for hormonal balance. That's because the microbiome impacts estrogen metabolism and other hormonal pathways. And that's in part due to a collection of bacteria in the gut called the estroblome. These gut bacteria are involved in the metabolism of estrogen. So why is this important? That's because if estrogen is not properly metabolized in the gut, it can get reabsorbed back from the gut into the bloodstream, leading to elevated levels of estrogen in the bloodstream. And this is known as estrogen dominance. This can then lead to hormonal imbalances, acne and dull skin, mood issues, and even reproductive issues. And that includes infertility. So I hope you can appreciate the microbiome's role in hormone balance. The gut microbiome is also important for detoxification and protection against pathogens. And that's because the good gut bacteria, they act as a barrier or as soldiers, protecting your body from harmful pathogens and toxins. So they assist in detoxifying harmful compounds from food or from the environment. So why is a balanced microbiome important? Well, first let me explain the term dysbiosis, which refers to an imbalanced microbiome. And this is when the bad microorganisms outnumber the good microorganisms, leading to an overgrowth of harmful bacteria, yeast, and other pathogens. So to answer the question, a balanced microbiome is crucial because dysbiosis, which is that imbalance, can lead to chronic inflammation, triggering health issues like acne, arthritis, and cardiovascular disease, among others. It can also cause skin issues like acne, eczema, rosacea. Dysbiosis can cause digestive problems, including bloating, gas, diarrhea, constipation, and irritable bowel syndrome, also known as IBS. Dysbiosis can also trigger your immune system to overreact, attacking your gut lining, which can then lead to inflammation and potentially leaky gut syndrome. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to post another video discussing leaky gut in detail, because I know that many of you have been diagnosed with leaky gut, and many of you may have leaky gut and not even know it, not have been diagnosed. Dysbiosis can also lead to weakened immunity, making you more susceptible to infections and illnesses. It can cause hormone imbalance and mental health issues like anxiety, stress, depression, and brain fog. So obviously, gut dysbiosis is not a good thing and can lead to many health consequences. So you may be wondering, well, what causes this imbalance to occur? The answer is several factors, but the most important are poor diet that's high in sugar, seed oils, refined carbohydrates, processed foods, or that's really low in fiber. And then another factor is overuse of antibiotics or certain medications. And that's because antibiotics, they not only kill the bad guys, the pathogens, but it can also kill your good gut bacteria, okay? Other factors include chronic stress, environmental toxins like pesticides, heavy metals, BPAs, chlorinated water, parabens, and the list goes on. But what I want you to know is that these are not the only factors that can contribute to gut dysbiosis, but they are the more common ones. So what can you do to make sure that you maintain a healthy microbiome? Well, first of all, by consuming organic food to help minimize your exposure to pesticides like glyphosate, by using non-toxic cleaning products, by filtering your water, and by using glass or stainless steel kitchen items instead of plastic, which contains bisphenol A, also known as BPA. You can also support your microbiome by consuming more vegetables, legumes, fruits, unrefined oils like your coconut oil, avocado oil, olive oil, and flaxseed oil. Also by eating whole foods, wild fish instead of farmed fish, by eating organic pasture-raised meat, by choosing dairy products, poultry, and meat that all have no added hormones. That's very important. And also by avoiding refined sugar and processed foods. Those would all be a good start. Now, if you're interested, I included the link to my e-recipe book in the description below. This recipe book has 23 mouth-watering recipes that are not only amazing for skin health, but I actually worked with a nutritionist to carefully craft these recipes that target inflammation and that balance your microbiome and your hormones. In this guide, I also included expert tips on how to heal your body from within to stop breakouts for good and to achieve overall health and vitality. And as a bonus, I also included the top 10 foods to avoid for acne-free skin. Again, the link is in the description below. Now, some other ways to help maintain a healthy microbiome is by taking the proper supplements and through lifestyle habits to reduce inflammation, balance your hormones, and promote clear, glowing skin. And since I'm a skincare nerd, I'd like you to know that if you're someone who's been suffering with chronic acne, chances are you have poor gut health. Because one of the biggest causes of acne, guys, is your diet and poor gut health, no matter what anyone tells you. And for those who don't know, I actually struggled with chronic acne for years. And as a clinical pharmacist with many patients that have acne, I understand the frustration of trying countless treatments without seeing real results. And after clearing my skin by addressing the root causes of my acne and focusing on healing my body from the inside out, I've made it my mission to help others clear their skin naturally too. And that's been the focus of my research, and that's why I created the Clear Skin Blueprint, which is an online course that addresses acne at its root cause instead of just masking the symptoms with conventional treatments. So if you're tired and frustrated with conventional treatments that don't work, it's time to address the root cause of your acne. Clear Skin Blueprint is designed to help you heal and balance your gut and hormones and clear your acne naturally without medications or harsh skincare products. In my course, I help you identify the root cause of your acne, and I teach you how to heal your gut, especially if you have leaky gut syndrome. I teach you how to reestablish balance in your microbiome, detox your liver, reduce inflammation, and relieve chronic constipation, which, by the way, many people don't realize can actually cause or contribute to acne. I also teach you how to replenish key nutrients that could be causing your acne and so much more. For more information on the Clear Skin Blueprint and to book a free 30-minute consultation with me, click on the link in the description below. And before we go, remember, when your gut thrives, you thrive. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss a thing. It really supports my channel and it helps me create more content like this one for you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.